morning, students. Hope you all are safe at home. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 5, Weather and Climate, which is in page number 32. I have given some points on the board which we are going to discuss from this chapter. So, first of all, we will discuss about weather. Weather is defined as the condition of air temperature, air pressure, wind, humidity and rainfall in the atmosphere at a given place and time. Weather changes every day. It may be hot and dry today, but tomorrow it may be rainy and wet. The weather condition in the morning may be different from that evening. Changes in weather condition give rise to the season in India. We enjoy three main seasons. They are summer, winter and monsoon. Our lifestyle varies according to seasons. It influences that we eat, what we wear and even the type of houses we live in. It also determines the crop that the farmers grow. Next comes climate. The weather condition that prevail over a large area for a long period of time is called climate. The climate of a place remains more or less the same year after year. Different parts of the world have different types of climate. On the basis of prevailing climate condition, the world can be divided 7 major climatic regions. Look in your book, page number 32. There is a world map, different color. You can see in the map, yellow color indicates very hot and wet, and light yellow indicates very hot and dry, and light purple indicates cool and dry, green color indicates warm and wet, and dark purple indicates very cold, and lime green color indicates Mediterranean. Mediterranean means not so hot also, not so cold also. Next is distance from equator. Look at the picture how sun rays fall on the earth. This is the earth, this is the equator, this is North Pole and South Pole. Near the equator, the rays of the sun falls directly and spread a small area. And when we move away from the equator towards the pole, the rays of the sun falls slanting and spread a larger area. That is why in the equator, thus places near the equator receive more heat than those North Pole and South Pole. The fourth is high above the sea level. You know that hill stations such as Simla, Nainital, Ooty are cool even in summers. Most peaks in the Himalayas are covered with snow and ice during the summer also. This shows that places located at higher altitude are colder than those at lower altitude, even if they are situated on the same latitude. The next is distance from the sea. Places near the coast have a moderate climate. It is neither too hot nor too cold here. This is due to effect of the sea breeze. Water bodies heat up and cool down at a slower rate than land. In summer, therefore, the sea is cooler than the land. Hence, air over the sea is cooler than over the land. This cool air is called sea breeze. Places far away from the sea do not get sea breeze, so they are extremely hot in summer and very cold in winter. Such climate is called extreme climate. Let us compare the climate condition of Delhi and Chennai. Chennai is located along the sea coast, while Delhi is located far away from the coast. As Chennai is nearer to the equator, it should be hotter than Delhi in summer season, but this is not so. Chennai experiences a mild climate throughout the year as it is near the coast. Next is direction of winds. Winds blowing from the hot region increase the temperature of a place, while those blowing from the cold region decrease the temperature. Delhi is hot in summer due to dry, hot winds that blow from Rajasthan. In winter, cold winds from the Himalayas make northern area very cold. Wind blowing from the sea make the land close to the sea cool and moist. Sometimes wind bring clouds with them and cause rainfall. Okay, and the last one is heat zone. We can divide the earth into 3 heat zones on the basis of the difference in the temperature. So there is a diagram. Look at the diagram here, heat zones of the earth. You can look in your book, page number 35. This is the equator, frigid zone, temperate zone, torrid zone, frigid zone. Okay, torrid zone. Let us discuss about the torrid zone first. Torrid zone. The torrid zone is a tropical zone, lies on both sides of the equator. Both sides of the equator. Between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. The climate is hot and humid throughout the year because the direct rays of the sun fall over it. Next is temperate zone. Temperate zone. The areas lying between torrid zone and frigid zone. In the both the hemispheres are called temperate zone. It is neither very hot nor very cold. As here these zones are away from the equator and also from the poles. Now frigid zone. The area lying Arctic Circle, that is in the North Pole, and the area lying in the Antarctic Circle, that is in the South Pole. This area is called frigid zone. So this zone receives slanting rays from the sun and it remains very cold throughout the year. I hope you have understood what I have explained about this chapter, weather and climate. As a homework, open page number 35 and look at this checkpoint, true and false, and turn the page. Number 1, A, tick the correct answer. And number B, fill in the blanks you do at home. And the remaining question answer you will get from your Miley app. Thank you.
Stay home, stay safe, do it for yourselves, do it for your family, do it for India. Let's break the chain of COVID-19. Hum honge kamyab. Jai Hind.